Alright guys, so we decided, since we had free reign on our app choices this time, we decided to make an app called SeeFood. What is it? Basically, it's an app where you can take a picture of the food that you eat, and you can send it into Tumblr, and it'll make a custom Tumblr page for you. We got this idea, I was reading the book 4 Hour Body by Tim Ferriss, and he was saying that, you know, when you're dieting, you need to be more accountable for the food that you eat. So our idea was, you take pictures, you send it to Tumblr, you send that URL to your friends, to your mom, to your cousin, your sister, so that way, you know, you'll eat right because you know other people are watching what you eat. We suggest when you use this app that you make a new account for it, so it's not like one of those annoying, you follow somebody on Facebook and they post on your wall for you, one of those annoying things. We suggest that you share your account URL with your friends and family, and that you take a picture of, you try and take a picture of every meal you eat. You know, that would be the goal, so you can get the most out of it. So like this would be the input, pictures that you take of your food that you're eating. This would be the formatted output in Twitter, in Tumblr. A couple of features we had, you can sign in, sign up with Tumblr. If you're not already a member of Tumblr, you can sign up through the app. There's a friends button, so you can follow your friends' progress. You can see who's following you. We put a tag in there, so everybody who uses this app will show up on this custom list that we have set up, and it'll show, you can see what everybody's eating, pretty much. And you can post a meal with the photo, the camera, or the photo roll. We also made this intuitive help menu, which is probably the coolest part of the app. I really liked it. This is the Google app, and they put these little help circles around different parts of the app when you press the help button. And when you press one of those, it'll highlight a section and give you like a description. So we pretty much tried to do that, tried to make that happen in our app. So this was kind of the outcome of it. It looks freaking great. I'm probably going to use this for every app that I make from now on because it's so awesome. Now we're just going to get to the demo.
Okay. While this is loading, one of the things I decided to do with it was, God forbid your phone gets taken or something, it does keep your email and password both in a keychain. So even if your phone was to get stolen, the password and email are both encrypted. So it's encrypted and then decrypted. You can log in. This is the normal. When you log out, it will automatically erase your password, so it's not constantly kept in the keychain. So we'll go ahead. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. It'll just pop up a web view, and you can go ahead and sign up. And then when you're done, you can go back to it and sign in. So I really don't care what my password is. All right. So basically, it loads basically what they call the dashboard, which is pretty much what everybody that you're following has posted. Pictures, stuff like that, other people, it doesn't really matter.
Did he eat a monkey?
Yeah, it's just whatever. I mean, Tumblr doesn't really, the thing I don't like about Tumblr is Tumblr doesn't have an authentication system for pictures, so you can kind of just put whatever you want on there, which kind of is annoying, but I mean, whatever.
These are our posts. I put in a whole bunch of stuff today and yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, you'll look at the bottom. There's the refresh button, the back button, and a forward button will only work if there is a back. You can go back or you can go forward. So like, if I go back, it'll load. That's the Wi-Fi. Whatever. We're gonna skip that. The bottom part, there's the followers button, the food button, and the following button. The food button shows every tag or every post that's ever been made with the app. Now, Tumblr has really bad programmers because if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page and you hit load more posts, it actually takes the ones from the previous and just recopies them. There's like 17 posts on here, but it just recopies it. It's Tumblr's, something's up with Tumblr, and I actually went on using the Safari. You can go on Android. It does the same thing. I don't know why. I sent a bug report in, but the followers button will show you who's following me, which is Richard right now, or who I'm following. When you go to post a meal, there's a couple things on here. There's the default or the custom. It's 2 different layouts for how you're actually going to be posting it. The default is it's a NS string. It's a custom string set up, and it just pulls the information from all of these sections and puts it into a post. You can also do the custom one, which allows you to just fill up a text view with just like a paragraph of whatever you want to eat or whatever you've eaten or whatever. Then here is the help menu, and pretty much it just gives you, shows you, what each of the things does in case you can't figure it out for yourself. The default one uses the default layout we have. The custom one will, allow you to say whatever you want to say about whatever you've eaten. It does, depending on your internet connection, it does take a while for, like when we first started, it took a while to actually get it uploaded onto the server because AT&T sucks, pretty much. So when you go to, you can either use the camera roll or you can take a photo. If anybody's got some food, I can take a photo or something, but I don't see anything, so we'll skip that. So you can like select that, steak dinner. Delicious. You can say steak and mashed potatoes.
And then on this, right there, it shows calories, carbs, but you can't really see it. It's kind of washed out.
Servings, we'll say 3, which is a lot. Carbohydrates, we'll say 60. Calories, 400, why not? And then the actual tags part, put this down. The actual tags part, regardless if it's full or not, if there's a tag there or not, it won't put the SeeFood app tag on there. It'll just append it to the end. So that allows us to pull, whatever other ones are coming up. So we'll just say steak, and then we'll go ahead and post it. And it crashed. That's the first time that's actually ever happened.
So to make this app, we use the Tumblr API, the read and write, the authenticate. We use a lot of custom views and overlays, and that's about it. Any questions?